Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the Foreach loop in Unity. Let's get started. What is Foreach? The Foreach loop in C# is a control structure that allows you to iterate over collections, such as arrays, lists, or dictionaries, without needing to manage an index manually. It provides a clean and readable way to loop through elements in a collection. Where is it used? Iterating over arrays or lists, for example, looping through a list of game objects. Checking or modifying elements in a collection. Performing actions on all elements in a collection efficiently. Basic Foreach loop syntax. Step 1. Creating a list. First, we need a collection to work with. In this case, we will create a list of strings and add 5 items to it. Here's how we do it. By using Foreach, we can ensure that every element in the collection is processed in a clean and structured way. Whether you are working with a list of objects, strings, or numbers, Foreach makes iteration much more efficient and intuitive. Step 2. Using the Foreach loop. Instead of manually accessing each item using an index, we can use the Foreach loop to automatically go through each element in the list and print it to the console. Here's how. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.